Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of my channel. My name is Ben, and in this channel we're gonna make programming projects. And for the first project, I chose a temperature project. We like this project is for someone that don't know from what temperature the water is boiling, from what temperature is hot, and from what temperature is warm, and the rest is cold. So in this project, we're gonna start with the easy project and then we're gonna make it harder, harder, and harder. So, please subscribe and like this video. So, let's jump into the video. Okay, first, we need to make a variable name temperature. And then we're gonna put a user input to ask them what's the temperature of water. So then they're gonna put number in, so that's integer, so it's gonna put int that represents integer right here. And then we're gonna open the bracket, inside the bracket we should put input. So the next we need one bracket, we don't need to close it, so we delete this one. So we open another bracket. Now we need to have a quotation in it, and then we're gonna ask enter water, we're gonna say enter water temperature. So we're gonna put and we're gonna put the space that the user have some space to put the number. And then if we look at here, we see that we have a unclosed bracket right here, so we need to close two brackets at the end. And this is gonna be the first line that is asking the user what's the temperature of water. So next line, we're gonna use a if. So if we put if, we're gonna tell them that if temperature was bigger or equal to 100, what's gonna be, if the temperature be equal or more than 100 degrees Celsius, it will be boiling water. So we're gonna come here and print, use a print right here to say boiling water. Okay, and now in this project we're gonna use a code that I think it's so useful. We're gonna come to the start of the line, and we're gonna say elif. So some of you guys maybe don't know what is elif, so if I'm gonna explain, else, let me put the hashtag to be just a code that, so else plus if will be elif. So we're just gonna put this. So these are the if and else together will be elif, so we're gonna use elif, so we don't need this. So after that, so we're gonna use elif, the VS Code gonna show us I'm programming Python and VS Code. You guys maybe have something else, but I suggest you guys to use VS Code. Okay, now after elif, we're gonna put if temperature was bigger or equal to 49 degrees Celsius, we should print. So does any of you guys know what is the weather gonna be hot or warm in 49 degrees Celsius? If you know it, write it in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys some time to write it, and then I'm gonna continue. So you guys can pause the video. So let's go. If the weather be more between 49 to 100, or be 49, It's hot water. So we're gonna put hot water right here. Hot water. Okay, we're gonna go to next line. We're gonna again use a elif right here. So if you like put this, the VS Code gonna like give us a suggestion that it's elif. After that, we're gonna say if temperature was more or equal to 30 degrees Celsius, you think what it gonna be? Write it in the comments. If it be 30 degrees Celsius or more until 49, it will be a warm water. So we're gonna actually it's not 40, it's not 30, like uh if I wanna be like exactly what it will be 36.5 will be the warm water. So we're gonna come here, so we're gonna now say warm. Oh, I forgot the quotations, don't forget the quotations. I'm gonna say warm water. Okay, so we need to add another code. So like we're gonna use not elif anymore, we're gonna use else. We had if it be more than 100 it will be boiling water, if it be from 49 to 100 it will be hot water, and it be 36.5 until 49 it will be warm water, and else it means less than 36.5. We're gonna use else now, and we're gonna say print, we're gonna say cold water. So now it's cold water. Now we're gonna run the project to see how is it. So we're gonna run the project. It's gonna like, maybe we should wait a little bit time to just load fully. Okay, so into the water temperature I'm gonna put, like, what should I put? I'm gonna put 49. It's gonna say hot water, yes. We're gonna run it again. You're gonna say 100 boiling water. For example, now we're gonna say 44 warm water. That's correct. So, and this was a project that was a temperature project. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And this was an easy project for you. We can continue to make it harder and harder project. Thank you for being with us until now. See you later.